People. There again. After JOB, Some blood clot money. What's up, man? Every time the boy I see me, him always I come talk about what's up, like, man, my friend. Oh, you ready? Oh, let's go spend some more money here, my people. Hold on.
I ain't got no money today, buddy. Unfortunately.
What you need from me?
Let's see. 48.81.
Oh, 48.81.
Yes, sir.
All right. Still $50. Goddamn. White people money go fast, no blood clot, man. Money go fast, damn.
What's that?
I'm good, fam. I'm good.
I'm gonna say have you a couple pennies, bud.
Money on my butt. Well, take food out, fam. I think I'm gonna go put those in right now.
Alright, Patrick.
Alright, fam.
Take care, buddy.
Yum.
Don't have too much fun changing those out. Don't have too much fun changing them. It's colder than hell outside.
It didn't easy to change, though.
It's so cold.
Yeah,
That's why it costs so much.
these things here.
Yep. Gotta love that.
Yeah, I feel like putting it in right now, my friend.
One at a time.
Yep, sure is. Thanks, man. Now, white boy don't call me by my blood clot, man.